Peace family, welcome to our daily analysis. So let's analyze NASDAQ. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour and find our support, even our resistance. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right here. Let me extend this, even as fine. Okay, so let's go to hourly. So on an hourly, what we saw, we try to break this one right here, but seems like we are failing. So it's possible that the market can push to the upside up to potentially up to there. But if the market decides to sell, then it's possible that we can have something like up to potential TP up to here. That's if the market decides to sell. Okay, that's my analysis for NASDAQ at the moment. And then let's go to GBPJPY. And then on a weekly, not on a weekly, not 4-hour. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. Like it seems like it's possible that we are heading towards this price right here. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour and find our zones. Let me just zoom in so that everything can be clear. Okay, so on a 4-hour, what I see, in fact I don't see anything. On a 4-hour, let's go to hourly. So yesterday I analyzed that we have this zone right here. Yeah, right there. And I was expecting the market, since the market was coming here, expecting the market to push to the upside, and that didn't happen. So what I'm going to look out for at the moment is these areas right here. And then if we can come here, tapping into this zone, it's possible that the market can push to the upside. So I'll watch the market closely as it's going to come to these areas right here. Okay, that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY, and then on a weekly, okay, so let me just, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then it's possible that let's go to our 4-hour and find our support, even our resistance. Let me just blow up this. So on a 4-hour, what I'm seeing currently, we have this resistance around these areas right there. So let's go to hourly. So what I'm going to look out for is if there's a possible break, retest, and then push to the upside, maybe up to there. That's my potential TP right there. But if the market decides to sell, then I'll watch out this zone right here. And then it's possible that the market can push all the way up to this zone right here. But if it decides to sell, then I won't do anything. Honestly, I want to do, and there's something that I see. Let me just delete this. Nah, it's all right. And then if the market decides to come here, then I'll just leave it like that. I won't do anything. And then let's go to gold. And then on weekly, so on weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, we had this. Let me tell you this. Let's go to hourly. I think the market is much clearer on an hourly. So on an hourly, we had this. Of this zone right here. So what I'm going to look out for is maybe even the market to give us a young double bottom to push to the upside. Potential up to there. And if this doesn't work, then it's possible that we can have something like a break and retest up to there. Let me just adjust this and then blow up everything so we can see my analysis. So this is my analysis for gold at the moment. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on weekly, okay, still loading. And then on a weekly, as you can see that we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour time frame and find our zones. Okay, let me just blow up this. So yesterday or the past few days we had this zone right here, and then decided to sell, and then it seems like the market is going to come up to here. So let's go to hourly. So what I'm seeing at the moment is it's possible that the market can come up to here to retest this zone and then push to the downside. Okay, I would love to see this. Actually, I would love to see this because we have this support area, and then we broke the support. So I'd love to see a retest to this former support area. Okay, that's my analysis for EURUSD. And then let's go to USDJPY. And then on the weekly, so on weekly, the structure is clear. We're shooting to the moon. We are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Let me blow up this. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right here. Let's go to hourly. So seems like we try to form a young double bottom around these areas right here. We try to break this zone, but it seems like we failed. So it's possible that the market can push to the upside. That's my take for USDJPY. And then let's go to the last pair, GBPUSD. Then on the weekly, so on the weekly we are on an uptrend. So let's go to our 4-hour. So let me just do this. So we have this all the way up to here, this zone right here. And then let me just adjust this. And then let's go to hourly. And what I'm going to look out for, if I see a double bottom, then I will enter potential up to here. That's my analysis for GBPUSD. And then if the market decides to break, if the USD is stronger than the GBP, then I'll expect something like a break in retest to the downside. Potentially hold up to there. Okay, that's my analysis for GBPUSD. Tap in.